Hi, this is Rene from ZSK once again, and we would like to show you another feature from the T8 control panel. This feature is called positioning. The positioning is a nice function. For instance, when your design is finished, automatically the frame moves out a certain millimeter, which you can adjust by yourself. I would like to show you this right now, and in this case we need to go to the function L2, which is called machine setup. And I will press now L2. Here we will see now several functions like the speed setup and the tool setup, which is at the moment not important for us. We need to go to the operating mode setup, which is R1, and I press the button. In here we will find again several other functions, but for me it is now important to show you the positioning. I will give now here a check just by pressing the button. And you will see some other functions appears. Basically it is the X axis as well as the Y axis, and I can give here in millimeter how far it should move until the design is finished. This helps a lot to get out easily your frame or to get it just quickly removed and exchange it, and I would like to show you how to do. In my case I will take now the X path. I will press now the X path. And you see there are two arrows on the bottom here. One means the frame in and the other one means the frame out. I would like to have the frame out, so I press the button here, which is U2. And on the right, U3 on the right side here, you will see the numbers, and if I press now the numbers, I can tell him how far should it go through. Don't forget, it's in millimeter, it's even written in here, so I would like to have at least 80 millimeter, which is about this distance. Okay, I confirm it now and say previous to go back to the main menu, and I will now finish the design. That means I have done already some, and we have some stitches left, and I simply press the start button. It will continue until to the end. The trimming is coming, and you see automatically the frame moved out exactly these 80 millimeter. Now it's very easy for me to remove it. Imagine I will take another one, okay, and then I press the button start, and it will go back automatically to the position where it was before. So you have always the correct position for every t-shirt, for every towel, for everything what you want to embroider. I hope it helps a lot. Thank you for listening. See you in the other video.